Alright guys, a quick update on the RX7 build. So this week, or this weekend, basically what we did is we put in the A-pillar bar, which you guys can see here, and then the first door bar, so the lower door bar, required moving this plate here that the A-pillar bar attaches to back. With all the issues that we've been having with the Jegs kit, this A-pillar bar was actually too short to tie into the halo, which is actually longer than the original RX7 one, so yeah, explain that to me. But anyway, so we decided to move the box back in order to compensate for the shorter A-pillar bar, which should work out just fine. It shouldn't really impede ingress or egress to the car much, and it worked out pretty well, actually. Actually means the door bars can be a little bit shorter, which just means you're using less material, but it's tied in there probably about as close to that A-pillar as you can get, and pretty far to the outside. It's kind of hard to tell, but yeah, so that ended up working out okay after looking like it wasn't going to work. So we need to work on the other side. We need to build the box, the A-pillar box, and then get the A-pillar tied into the halo, and then do that lower door bar, and then we'll do the anti-intrusion bars as well. So kind of looked at that today. There's wiring and that fuse box that needs to be moved, or just the wiring needs to be moved, but we need to probably keep that location for that fuse box, but we just need to make sure it's accessible. So we'll need to take out some other things too, including that HVAC ducting there, to make room for the crossbar that needs to go in. But that's kind of the update for now. After starting out being kind of frustrating, it turned out okay. So catch you guys next week.